Asia stood at the center of many of 2025's worst disasters. Earthquakes shook entire regions, monsoon rains caused deadly floods, and powerful storms battered coastal nations already vulnerable to climate extremes. In September 2025, a powerful earthquake struck near Cebu in the central Philippines. Homes collapsed, roads cracked open, and power was cut across entire communities. Dozens of lives were lost, and thousands of families were forced to evacuate, reminding the nation of its location along the Pacific Ring of Fire. Philippines earthquakes and floods. As if earthquakes were not enough, the Philippines was battered by a series of destructive typhoons throughout late 2025. Storms such as Ragasa, Matmo, Fengshin, Calamity, Funwang, and Koto struck one after another. Heavy rains caused widespread flooding and landslides. Millions were affected across Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Schools were closed, crops were destroyed, and families sought shelter as rivers overflowed and winds tore through communities. In Thailand, prolonged monsoon rains led to severe flooding across central and southern provinces. Rivers burst their banks, roads disappeared underwater, and thousands of residents were forced to evacuate. Some areas remained flooded for weeks, disrupting transportation, agriculture, and daily life, highlighting the growing intensity of seasonal rainfall in the region. Elsewhere in Asia, a massive earthquake in Myanmar killed thousands and left entire cities in ruins. Meanwhile, Indonesia and Pakistan experienced deadly floods and landslides that displaced millions and destroyed vital infrastructure. Across the Pacific, the United States faced its own disasters. In California, powerful atmospheric river storms brought relentless rainfall in late 2025. Cities like Los Angeles experienced flash floods, mudslides, and evacuations. Roads turned into rivers, homes were damaged, and lives were lost, especially in areas already weakened by past wildfires. The 2025 hurricane season was equally destructive. In the Pacific, storms like Tropical Storm Mario and Hurricane Lorena brought flooding to Mexico and parts of the southwestern United States. In the Atlantic, powerful hurricanes intensified rapidly, affecting island nations and coastal communities, leading behind destruction, power outages, and long recovery efforts. Global impact. By the end of 2025, natural disasters had caused tens of billions of dollars in damage worldwide. Millions were displaced, economies were strained, and recovery efforts continued long after the headlines faded.
As you've seen all these events unfold, one important question remains. When crisis and calamity strike, who will be our refuge?
Who will help us when needed it the most? There is no need to worry. This is why the Innovation Japan Association exists. It is here to help
to support communities in times of crisis and to invest in hope, recovery, and resilience. Together, we can make a difference. Let us be united and be a part of Innovation Japan.